Welcome to Spirit Seers Cocktail Corner. My name is Mike, and today what I have for you is the Pegu Club. This is another pre-prohibition gin cocktail. It's really interesting. I've been making it a lot recently. It is gin, dry curacao, orange bitters, Angostura bitters, and a little bit of lime juice as well. So let's get started. Let's get some ice into our shaker. And so I've got an ice cube there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do 2 ounces of gin. And this is the Moab Distilling gin that they've produced. And to that, we need 3 ounces of dry curacao, 3/4 ounces. I know I said 3 ounces, that's a lot. And we need 3/4 ounces of lime juice. And we need a dash of Angostura. Like my Angostura. It's good stuff. And a little bit of orange bitters, and this is the Beehive charred orange, caramelized orange rather. And so we're going to shake that. And we're going to strain that into a coupe glass. Actually, I probably don't need to double strain that because I only have a single cube in there. And let's garnish that with a lime peel. Let's do that there so that doesn't fall. And the Pegu Club. It's almost proto-tiki. It's this obviously predates tiki, but if you replace the gin with rum, it's basically a tiki drink. It's really enjoyable. The citrus is very forward on it, followed by the herbal and a little bit of bitter to finish. It's really enjoyable. It's a great summer drink. Cheers.